Welcome to STV Pads. We're about to check out our next pad.
Welcome to my pad. Don't mind the dogs.
Alright, show me around.
Oh, well, over here we have the dining room kitchen combo.
Very nice.
Still waiting for bar stools, they're hard to find. And over here is the pantry.
Nice.
Then we'll transition into the living room. I'm gonna sit on my couch.
Still waiting for the couch to arrive, I see.
Yeah, it's on the way. And over here we've got pictures. There's our puzzles. And over here is our dog area. And you'll also notice, making a cameo appearance, is our new calendar. Also, here's Zoe's pinboard. This is Disney Corner.
Ah, I love Disney Corner.
Not to be confused with Tobacco Row.
Not to be confused. And over here, we've got our Disney cooking display.
Oh yes, I totally forgot about the cooking display.
Yes.
And then, come on, follow me.
All right, I'll follow you.
This is my favorite room in the house.
The laundry closet?
It's where the laundry gets done.
That's where the magic happens.
And in here, we've got our grandiose master bathroom.
Very spacious.
Yeah. Dog included.
Nice.
And not to leave out the last room of the house, the bedroom. Still waiting for a bed skirt.
Very nice.
That's Burley's bed. I'll show you where we sleep. This is where I sleep. Here's the closet, nice and organized. Zoe did a really good job getting all the clothes hung up. And if you recognize those, you should. And this little beauty, you didn't see us pick this guy up. Had to stop at Walmart that same day. Got that taken care of.
Yep.
And I forgot to show you the best part. Hey Siri, bedroom on.
Okay, they are on.
Hey, voice activated lights.
I like it. It's like the snapper.
I wish we had a snapper light.
Yeah. Oh, and we also forgot to show you our new lamp. You probably saw it, but we didn't mention it. We found it home in the corner.
Oh, perfect. It'll look so nice next to the couch when it comes.
And that is our new pad.
Yeah, I love it.
Yeah, it's been a lot of work in progress for sure, but I'm so glad that it's done. It's been a very long week, but everything's put together. It looks so great.
Yeah, we love it. It's so nice to have all our stuff out and like decorated again.
Yes, yeah, and some of this stuff we forgot we even had.
Yeah.
Because we haven't seen it in months. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and we will see you guys tomorrow for another vlog, because don't forget, every day this month we will have a new vlog.
Yeah.
So give this video a big thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
And have a great day. Bye.